Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Studio if it's not working. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R. Type %localapdata%. Then press Enter. Open the Roblox folder. Then open the Versions folder. Open the latest version folder. Find Roblox Player Installer.exe. Right-click it. Then click Run as Administrator. Wait for the installation to finish. Now go back to the Roblox folder. Then click Run as Administrator. Wait for the installation to finish. Now launch Roblox Studio again. It should now be working properly. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.